Today's topic is Sports Awards. First one, Shivachatrapati Award. Introduction. In honor of Maharaja Chhatrapati Shivaji, award is only for the outstanding sportsperson of the state of Maharashtra. Only International Olympic Committee recognize sports, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, Paralympics, World Cup, World Championships. Objective: to felicitate the sportspersons for their meritorious performance, to encourage and develop the sportsmen in the state of Maharashtra. Eligibility: the person should be a citizen of Maharashtra or should be residing for a period of 15 years. The performance of last 5 years are taken into account, out of which best 3 performances is considered. The sportsperson should be a medal winner at the national or international level. Every sports federation nominates the names to the sports committee appointed by the government of Maharashtra, who decides the final award winners. The award constitutes of Trophy of Shivaji, certificate, ID card, cash prize of rupees 1 lakh, a blazer. The award is given on the 19th of February every year on the occasion of the birthday of Maharaja Shivaji. The award is given at the hands of the CM of Maharashtra. Next award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Introduction. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, officially known as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, is sports and games highest sporting honor in India, named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. Instituted in the year 1991-1992. Awarded annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Eligibility: not more than 2 sportspersons are nominated from each sports discipline by the National Federation. A 12-member committee evaluates the performances of a sportsperson at various international events. The recipient is selected by a committee constituted by the ministry and honored for their spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years. Committee submits their recommendations to the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports for further approval. Confirmed to deserving sportspersons. What is constitutes? Medal, a certificate, a cash prize of rupees 7.5 lakh. Awardees. First recipient was Vishwanathan Anand in chess, Abhinav Bindra in rifle shooting, Sania Mirza in tennis in 2015, Deepa Karmarkar, Gymnastics in 2016, Sakshi Malik in Wrestling in 2016, Sardar Singh in Hockey in the year 2017. Dronacharya Award. The award was instituted in 1985. The award is named after Dronacharya, the Guru, Kaurava and Pandavas of Maharashtra fame. Dronacharya Award is an award presented by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India for the excellence in sports coaching. For whom Dronacharya Award is given to the trainers and coaches with consistent outstanding performance at Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Commonwealth Games, World Championship, sports disciplines recognized by the government, indigenous sports recognized by the government. Objectives. The objectives of Dronacharya Award can be described as follows. The first objective of this award is to honor the contribution and role of instructors, trainers, and coaches on a consistent basis, leading towards unmatched performances by the sportsperson trained by them. The another objectives of this award is to motivate coaches and trainers to work with focus and dedication and train sportspersons in order to help them attain success at the global sports events. Eligibility. Not more than 2 coaches nominated by a national federation to the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Best 4-year performance is considered. Player should be not penalized under WADA. Award constitutes of a bronze statue of Dronacharya, certificate, blazer and cash prize of 5 lakh. Handed over on the 29th August at the hands of the President of the country at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Total of 104 awardees. The first recipients of the award were Bhalachandra Bhaskar Bhagwat in wrestling, Om Prakash Bharadwaj in boxing, and O.M. Namibia in athletics. Arjun Award, named after Arjun, who was the Pandav brother of the Mahabharata fame and was considered as the mythological archer in ancient India. The Arjun Award was first instituted in the year 1961 by the Government of India and was considered as the most prestigious civilian award for a sportsperson in India. The award is given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. The award winners are selected by a committee comprising of a chairperson and 12 other sports members. Objectives. The main objective of the Arjun Award is to recognize the outstanding performance of sportsperson of India at international level only and also to create outstanding athletes. Eligibility. To be eligible for the award, a sportsperson should have good performance consistently for 4 years at international level, including the year for which the award is recommended, but should also have shown good qualities of leadership, sportsmanship, and sense of discipline. From 2001, the award is given only in disciplines falling under the following categories. First one, Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cup, World Championship, and Cricket. Second, Indigenous Games. Third, Sports of Physically Challenged. Selected awardee will receive their awards from the President of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Awardees are given a cash prize of 5 lakhs, a bronze statue of Arjun, and a scroll. In 2015, 17 sportspersons were conferred with the Arjun Award. Till date, a total number of 694 sportspersons in India have been conferred with the Arjun Award. Eklavya Award. Introduction. The award was instituted in the year 1993 in honor of Prince Eklavya, who was the student of Dronacharya. The award is given by the Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, Government of Karnataka. The award is given to the outstanding sportsperson from Karnataka. Objective: to acknowledge and felicitate the performance of outstanding sportspersons from the state of Karnataka. To promote and encourage the upcoming talent to work harder in the field of sports. Also given in the state of Odisha, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Performance of last 4 years in Karnataka and 2 years is taken in the state of Odisha. Thank you.